Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining. Today we're at Coastal Breeze Retreat, a beautiful vacation home located just steps away from the pristine sands and emerald waters of Miramar Beach. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, so let's go inside and check it out. So let's start here on the lower level. As you step in the home, you're greeted with this cozy little sitting area, perfect for a morning cup of coffee and a good book. Right over here, you have a shuffleboard table, perfect for a family-friendly game. And then over here, you have a sitting area, perfect with a game of tic-tac-toe. And over here in the living room, this couch does pull out for a bed. And then over here, we have a big screen TV and a PlayStation. And here you can see we have the dining table with plenty of room for the whole family. This kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need to take care of your family while you are on your wonderful beach vacation. And right here off the kitchen is a full-sized washer and dryer. Now that we've seen everything on the lower level, let's head upstairs and see what's up there. The upper level has all the main sleeping areas. If you come down this hall, you have a Jack and Jill bathroom and you're greeted with your first cozy bedroom. And right next door, you have this comfortable bedroom. Before we get to the main bedroom, we have a bonus bedroom with bunk beds, perfect for the kids. Our final bedroom has a luxurious king bed, a workstation, and your own private bath. The best part about this room is you have direct access to the balcony. We hope you enjoy the tour of this beautiful home. We would like to thank Coastal Breeze Retreat for letting us come out today and show you around. If you would like to stay here and have a wonderful beach vacation, all of the information for Coastal Breeze Retreat will be in the description below.